So I'm still trying to figure out how to get root on this machine. Now, doing all inline like I'm doing in here, it can be a pretty pain in the ass. So I've created a new file called give me root or give me dev, which as of now just basically contains that code but in a file. Let's run it, see if I have any syntax error. I have no idea how Perl works, to be honest. What the hell? Okay, so if I do it inline, it does not work. But when I put it in a file, it works. Hello world, I'm Zenit, and I'm confused. Why does it work when it's in a file, but it doesn't work inline? Now, a good hacker, penetration tester, whatever, would inspect this and probably find out why that is. But I guess I'm just gonna read a walkthrough after this and figure it out. Maybe someone that's way smarter than me figured that one out. But I'm root. I am root. We made it. After all this time, we finally made it. How long did that take us? 1 or 2 hours, or maybe 3? That's a lot of time for a easy to medium challenge. I have to get faster. So all that's left to do is go to root. And here we have root. So let's check out root. And we have a root flag. Submit flag. And I'm not gonna lie, this was a bit hard. Hard. Let's go with hard. I mean, the first flag is kind of medium to easy. And always this hard attack. Come on, why are you giving me this hard attacks all the time? But perfect. We solved the machine. What do I think about the machine? I think it was a pretty fun challenge, to be honest. I mean, I can seem cranky at times, but that's just how I work, how my mind works. If I'm not pissed at something, then I can't figure it out. That's basically a rule of thumb. Now, Linux, Web, Node.js, SSTI, and SUID. Those were great hints, but also, to be honest, if the challenge wouldn't have been called Nunchucks, I don't think I could have figured out that reverse shelving. Well, maybe somewhere along the line I could have figured out a JavaScript one that would have worked for Node.js, irrelevant of the templating engine, but the name as a hint was a good idea, because if the name wasn't there as a hint, probably it would have been much harder. Now, the way to exploit this machine was very fun, because first you go via the website, then you try to exploit the server template injection, and once you have that, you want to be root, and for that you have this weird Perl bug. Only works in a file, not inline, which I still think is weird. Maybe we can check out some walkthrough after that. You can, or maybe somebody in the comments knows why that is. Why does it work in a file but not inline? That's something that still confuses me. I'm gonna research that off camera, because this may be boring. Maybe I'll post it in the community tab what I came up with. But all in all, it was a fun challenge. There were multiple stages to the exploitation. There were multiple problems. I mean, it started with not having access to this website, doing some fuzzing, doing some enumeration, trying to find an exploit for this one, then trying to elevate the privileges. So all in all, pretty fun challenges. If you're new, maybe don't start with this one, because you need some knowledge about Linux things and so on. So I think it's a good medium challenge. I don't know if it's rated at easy, but it looks like a lot of votes have been cast to put it into medium. I don't know what users rated it, but it looks interesting. Share results. What's this? Why? Come on. What's happening? Okay, please don't kill me with this sound. That's all I have to say for this episode. Maybe join in the next challenge. You can post a comment. What challenge should I do next? Leave the comment down below and maybe we'll try that challenge. Just make sure that it's a retired machine, because I can't do active machines because it's against the terms of service for HackTheBox, and I still want to be able to use HackTheBox. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.